Hi, Carol from the H. Perkins Company in North Haven, Connecticut. We've been teaching classes here for more than 40 years on seat weaving and basketry. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare cane for weaving. In order to properly use cane and prepare your cane for weaving, it is important to know where cane comes from. Cane is part of a rattan palm that grows in Indonesia throughout the rainforest. It is not found anywhere where there's not a rainforest that's at least 50 feet high to the canopy. The rattan pole is a solid pole. The outside is covered in thorns. You'll see the growth marks that we call nodes, wormholes, and other variations within the pole. Once the rattan is cut down, soaked for several days, and then smoked with sulfur, it is sent overseas and the outer skin or bark is peeled off, and that's called cane. The inner core is reed. Reed for diffusers, reed for clarinets, wicker furniture, baskets, and of course seat weaving. Cane must be used wet. It cannot be woven dry. So the most important thing is to prepare your cane for weaving. And this is how we do it here at H. Perkins. Cane comes in half bunch, which is 500 feet for 2 chairs, or 1,000 feet, we call a full bunch, a full hank, for 4 chairs. When I get a cane and I have to do 5 different size canes for a class, I prepare them all ahead of time. The first thing I do is cut all of the strings except for the butt end. The butt end is where the cane is folded over. Then I place the cane in soapy water. The entire bunch goes into soapy water, and I just use regular hand soap. And I soak the cane for 5 to 10 minutes. The bigger the cane, the more I have to soak it. Once you have pulled your cane out of the water, and you can hang it over a door, over a hook, over a curtain rod. I've even done it over a hanger. You take your cane and you separate out the cane. And what do I mean by that? I pull out the longest strands possible. I save my short strands for later for my diagonals and fill-in pieces. When I pull out my longest strands, I pre-clean them with a scrubby. This is the most important thing that I do with my cane. I find out which way the node is going with my thumb, and then I examine the cane. I pre-clean it by pulling it through with my scrubby. And as you can see, once I do this, not only did I clean the strand, take off the hairs, but I'm examining the cane for anything that may cause me a problem down the road. So thoroughly clean the cane, and as you can see, a lot comes off. Then I pre-coil all the cane. So this will be my long strands, and I will pre-coil every long strand after it's been cleaned and examined. I take my cane, I wrap it with a little elastic band, and then I turn around and I put them in a big pile. Now I know that when it comes time to cane, I have these all ready. So once you've prepared your cane and you have all your long strands ready to go, you now can start your project without having to stop after every strand and get your cane ready. So I soak my cane for 5 to 10 minutes. I take it out of the water, I give it a nice shake, and if it's gotten a little dry, I'm more than happy to clean it again with my little scrubby, and now this strand is perfectly ready to start my first step. It's a long strand, and it will make a beautiful weaver. While I'm weaving this one, 2 are soaking. Then I add more, and I constantly add strands as I need them. If you stop weaving, you can take your strands out of the water, let them dry, and use them next time. Thank you for watching this video. Our next video is going to teach you how to measure cane, how to cane, and how to stain your cane so it looks antique or matches the design of your home. Thank you and have a great day.